And with in this episode we will make some the first episode for our design, and then we will create the design of the description menu layers. Make the first is make the frame of phone 14 or 15 Pro Max, and then put the research first, and then put the research first, and then create some oval here like that, and bring send to back. Second episode. And then make it some effect, and that is layer blur, and input it for 31 and change to dark color. And put the theme of the product with the Roboto and Semibold for 25 size of font, and then copy on here, Ctrl C, and put on here. Perfect. And we can make it with the line like this, and choose the round type for the like this. And choose the color is A9 E9 E9. And with the Roboto size 15 with the medium type. We group it and put it on here, and then create some description with the Roboto, and the type is regular with the 16 bigger than the rating little. We use the ruler for professional position. And then create the rectangle, create some rectangle with the size is 2, 3, and 9 with 70, and corner radius is the 20. Two, 3, and 9. And then create the text and put it on the middle with this enter and semi-bold with the size 18. Group it and put it on here. And don't forget to add some effect on rectangle with the blur 30 and Y9. Blur 30 and Y is 9. and then we can copy for this from this for create the price and customize the size to same with this, and choose the color and put the price that was same with it's with Roboto, and for 22 size with the type of semi-bold. Group it and put it on here. Perfect. And then and if we want to create it, we can create with the line first, with the line, like this, and with the size weight is 165, and with the height is 70. With the size is 6. And the type is round on right and left, like this, and duplicate it and change the color to the green, and make it for 95, like this, and then add some effect, drop shadow, and 13 and 18. With the blur 13, and with the opacity is 18, and with Y1, and the color is FF 99 and 00, like that. And then we can make it it's the rectangle, with the size the 10 and 14. 10 and 14 with the radius cone is 4 and the stroke is white for 3 in outside like this. Change the color, the stroke of stroke is white and the color of fill is green like this, and put it here. Beautiful. And then make the some text, typing the text of spicy here. Group it first. And put it on here. And then with the Roboto and type is medium with the size 14. And for the typing milk is Roboto with the medium type and 12 size. You put it on here, customize until it seems neat. It's look like neat like this. And hot to it's with Roboto and type is medium with the size is 12. Put it on here. And group it. And put it on here. And then how we can create this. The first is create the type first, the text first, portion for the portion. And it with the Roboto style and with medium type and size is 14. And create some rectangle with the size is 40 and 40, width 40 and height 40. With the corner radius it is the 10. And duplicate it for the number like that, and size it is 18, and add some effect. Thirteen and 7. 13 and 7. With the color is orange, and the opacity is 31. And then duplicate it here, and then add some line with the white is 10 and the bold is 3. 10 and bold is 3. The type is round on left and right. Put it on here and duplicate it. Duplicate again and rotate for the 90, and customize the color to the green and group it and put it on here. And that was clear. And put from the first episode the icon search, copy it and paste it and put it on here and change the color to the orange. And then you can find some icons of arrow on the plugin of icon 8 arrow, and you can find it what you want or it, and size is 28. Put it on here. Don't forget for the ruler. That was perfect. Maybe for the second episode just enough. And the design is next to the next episode. And now I want to show you how to make the slide of payment. And this third episode for our project, and check it out. Let's go to the step. And then the first is make some frame of phone 14 and 15 Pro Max, and then we can copy the icon the from the after episode as I explained to you. We can copy this and change the color to the black, and then add some text with the size is 20 and type is semi bold, and the font is Poppins, and this also create some text for the price, and the font is with Roboto and type is regular with the size 18, and make some what is that, some line with the size is 1, and the color is F0 F0 F0, and then create the text of total price with the font style is Roboto and with semi bold with the size is still 18, and then create the estimated delivery time with the text with the font is Roboto style with the type semi bold and size is 14, and then create some like what is it, header again for the payment methods with the style is Poppins, and the type is semi bold with the size is 20, and then we have this. How we can make it? The first is create with rectangle, and the size is, and with the white and the white of is 392, and height is 80, and the radius is 20, and you can find the logo is at Google. Out of like this, after that create some text with the style is Roboto, type medium and 14, and these two Roboto medium 14 with the different colors, just with the different colors. And how we can make it for with the smash all and customize the size is with the 12, with the stroke is 2, and here create the stroke with the size 2 like this. Enough, and duplicate it and resize it to the 10. Enter. With the fill and without the stroke. Without the stroke and fill is white. And custom the colors is this. You can screenshot and group it. And put it on here. Use the ruler for customize the what we said position for the professional position, and then perfect. And then how we can make it, the first is duplicate for the creation after this, and then and then just change it to the debit and remove the oval of middle like that, and you can find the logo on the Google. And recustomize the color of the button, and the color is white. Change it to the black. Equals for grid and group it and put it on below that. Use the rule until look neat. And you can get it on the icon of plugin like this. And create the text for the saved card details for future payment. Put it on here. Like that. With the Roboto style and regular type with the 16 size. And create again the total price on the below the all, and use the rulers for until look and the design is look like very neat like that. Add the text it with the Roboto style and regular for the text of total price and 16 size, but the number of price is with the Roboto and the type is semi bold with the size is 32. And duplicate from this and rename for button, customize it, and that was finished.